Hello, Forever family. Until then, keep focused on what matters most for you.
Hello, Forever family. I'm Holly Stout, Vice President of Product Development, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to the November episode of Forever Matters. Let's take a closer look at some of the exciting moments happening around the globe in the Forever world. In October, Brazil hosted a Success Day and encouraged those in attendance to recommit to their goals, while Kenya presented their Women Empowerment Forum, with more than 200 women inspired to continue their Forever journey. Meanwhile, Forever India's biggest event, Delhi Success Day, drew over 17,000 attendees to the Indira Gandhi Arena. Highlights included the celebration of India's first diamond manager, Krishna Arora, inspiring speeches from Greg Mon and Aidan O'Hare, and a memorable classical wheelchair dance performance by artists with disabilities. Forever Croatia celebrated its 25th anniversary in Zagreb with 400 FBOs, while Forever Senegal held their Success Day at Dakar's Grand Théâtre Doudou Ndiaye Koumba Rose and celebrated achievements, recognizing their many new rank advancements. Over in Greece, they hosted a special two-day seminar. In addition to recognition, a main highlight included growth-focused training from double diamond manager Phil Ritter. Forever France had a busy month that began with a Let's Grow Forever Together Managers Workshop and ended with a France Success Day, where 700 FBOs gathered at the Palais de Congrès in Versailles. Meanwhile, Forever Uruguay celebrated their 2024 Success Day, honoring this year's newly promoted managers and many long-term FBOs. For Forever Bulgaria and Forever North Macedonia, their Success Days both celebrated recent achievements with over 400 FBOs at each event. Both events honored new managers, business training qualifiers, and members of the 4CC Leadership Club. In Bologna, Forever Italy held its Success Day in October, drawing nearly 1,000 attendees from across Italy to celebrate their achievements, while Forever Ireland held their own Success Day in Dublin with over 150 FBOs in attendance. As Rex often said, if you're not having fun, you're not doing the business correctly. With this spirit, Forever Cameroon celebrated their final 2024 Success Day as a gala night on November 9th with over 300 enthusiastic FBOs. This event served as a springboard to launch 2025 with energy, motivation, and growth. In addition to all of our exciting recent events, we wanted to remind you that many 2025 kickoff events will be happening in January around the world, and we'd love to have you in attendance. Reach out to your local market about kickoff events happening in your area in January. Throughout the year, Aidan has been sharing the message of growth around the world. And last month, we asked you to share your personal stories of growth for a chance to be featured in Forever Matters. There were so many posts this past month sharing your inspirational stories of growth. It was hard for us to pick which ones to feature. Let's take a look at your motivational messages. Don't forget, use hashtag Let's Grow Forever and post a 2 to 3 minute video about anything related to growth and forever for a chance to be featured in a future Forever Matters episode. Now on to recognition. Let's start off with our Sapphires. Congratulations to Bahar Davari from the United Arab Emirates, Mariana Enil from Moldova, Grumi Gondo from Japan, Naoko Tsuzuki, Japan, Chiemi Monguchi, Japan, Yoko Fujita, Japan, Munan Ka, Japan, Takanabu Ilkanue, Japan, and finally Shiho Yagami from Japan. Next up, let's congratulate our Diamond Sapphires, all also from Japan. Mizuho Arita, Dana Silvoza, and Masaki Kato. Now let's look to our new diamonds. Krishna Arora from India, congratulations. Congratulations to Kuchi Kanyane in South Africa, Mei Okazaki in Japan, Sakura and Yuto Sakai from Japan, and Chikako Yasuda from Japan. Congrats to all. Amazing work and a big month for advancements. Now let's dive into the top 10 global CCs for the month of October. Coming in at number 10 from Turkey, Dia Ahmad Atiyah. From South Africa, Richard Mbatha. From Japan at number 8, Shiho Yagami. Dana Silvoza comes in at number 7 from Japan. From again Japan at number 6, Mei and Hidekazu Okazaki. From the United Arab Emirates, Rolf and Dominique Kipp. At number 4 from Japan, Mihu Sugihara. From South Africa, coming in at 3, Nobili and Percy Masleku. Coming in at number 2 from Japan, Itsuko Mototsuji. And from Japan, our number 1, Hanami and Koken Takagi. Now it's time to recognize the top 10 open group during October. At number 10 from South Africa, Nobile and Percy Masaleku. From South Africa, Buesiwe Kawai. From Japan, coming in at 8, Mizuho Arita. From Japan at number 7, Sakura and Yuto Sakai. From Moldova, Marina and Theodore Karnat. From Japan, Tameo Iwasaki. From Japan, Mami Hori. From Japan, Dana Silvoza. At number 2, Shihu Yagami, also from Japan. And from Japan, our number 1, Hanami and Koken Takagi. Well done, team. Your hard work is paying off. Let's keep the momentum going. I'm excited to bring new names to the table next month. Now, let's hear from Sierra Mon from the Rex Mon Forever Giving Foundation.
Last month, our global community came together with energy, purpose, and a lot of fun to raise funds for clean water projects through Charity Water. At a Success Day in Bologna, attendees took on the challenge of a water walk, creating a powerful hands-on experience to highlight the reality of water scarcity and to raise awareness for Charity Water. Over in Athens, our team created a fun way to give back, hosting games and auctions that brought everyone together to support the mission of Forever Giving. Finally, last month, Forever Japan held their annual charity walk across Tokyo and 8 other cities. Despite the rain, over 1,000 enthusiastic participants came out in full force. This event didn't just raise funds for Charity Water and Forever Giving, it also introduced countless newcomers to the Forever Japan family, sparking new connections and a shared purpose. These events are a testament to what we can achieve when we come together, uplift each other, and bring positivity and generosity into our communities. Thank you to everybody who participated, donated, and cheered on these incredible efforts. With Giving Tuesday coming up on December 3rd, join us in carrying this momentum forward by donating once or monthly at forever-giving.org. Together, we can keep giving, keep connecting, and keep making a difference.
Thanks, Sierra. Isn't it incredible what we can accomplish when we come together to help others? We're grateful to those of you who participated to raise donations for Charity Water. Next year will be here before you know it. Now is the time to really lean into your goals and qualify for Forever Global Rally in Paris. We hope to see you all there. See you next time, and remember to stay focused on what matters most to you.